If you want to start an LLC in Wyoming, this video will show you exactly how. Step by step, no confusion, no unnecessary fees. We'll go over how to form your LLC, what it costs, and what to do after formation so you don't run into problems later on. And if you want to make sure you don't miss anything, grab our free LLC formation checklist linked below. Step 1. Choose a name for your business. Something most people don't realize is that your LLC name is one of the most common reasons LLC filings get rejected. Your name must be unique in Wyoming and end with limited liability company, limited company, or an abbreviation like LLC. Words like bank, trust, or university can only be used if your business is actually licensed to engage in that type of business. The easiest way to check LLC name availability is by visiting the Wyoming Secretary of State's business entity search page. Search for your business name to make sure there isn't a business already using a similar one. Pro tip, as soon as you choose a name, don't wait to get your website domain. We recommend heading over to spaceship.com and locking down the matching domain. Spaceship is one of the lowest cost and most user-friendly options for buying domains. To make building your website as easy as possible, we'll link a video below walking you through how to create your website in a matter of minutes. You could form your LLC and launch your online presence on the same day. Links to naming requirements, the name search tool, and everything we talk about in this video can be found down below. Step 2, select your registered agent. Every Wyoming LLC is required to have one. Your registered agent receives legal and state documents on your behalf and forwards them to you. Keep in mind that this address will be publicly available, so I wouldn't recommend using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must have a Wyoming address and be available during normal business hours, Monday to Friday. You cannot use a P.O. box. Most business owners decide to hire a registered agent service. We recommend Northwest Registered Agent, who charges $125 per year to be your registered agent. If they form your LLC, you'll get the first year for free. Other registered agents can charge up to $250 per year. Step 3, file your articles of organization. This is what actually forms your LLC. The filing fee is $100 plus a $4 online processing fee. You can file directly with the Wyoming Secretary of State online or by mail, or you can use a formation service like Northwest Registered Agent. They file everything for you and catch mistakes before submission. By using our link in the description, you can create your LLC with Northwest for $39 plus the state fee. Northwest handles the registered agent requirement, protects your privacy, and makes sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Let me walk you through exactly how to form your LLC with Northwest. You can follow along by going to the link in the description. First, select Wyoming from the drop-down list of states, then click Get Started. Here's a list of everything that's included when you hire them. Filing with the state, registered agent service for 1 year, free business address and mail scanning, free domain, website, email, and phone line, free brand protection, renewal alerts, and filing service enrollment. They do charge $100 per renewal filing, but you can easily turn that off if you want to take care of it yourself. And you'll get an operating agreement template. Here you'll see the state filing fee of $104. Standard processing time in Wyoming is 3 business days for online filings. Wyoming has a pretty quick turnaround, and you might end up getting your LLC in quicker than the 3 days promised. Some formation services say they'll create your LLC for free, but be careful because they usually end up charging you for things like expedited processing, an operating agreement, or an overpriced registered agent service. To give you an idea, with Busy, your LLC formation in Wyoming without expedited processing takes up to 3 weeks, and it'll take Zen Business 7 to 10 business days to send your documents to the state. If you want to form a close LLC, a Wyoming-specific LLC type with restricted ownership transfer rules, you can select that here. Most people won't choose this option. There's a good to know section at the bottom that answers common questions for every step. If you need additional help, you can call Northwest. You'll see their number listed right here, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. When I've called, I'm quickly connected with a real person and I've had my question answered in a matter of minutes. Customer support is a big part of their brand. You can learn more about what they stand for on their manifesto page. For example, all emails are answered the same day. In the unlikely event that you call and get a voicemail during business hours, you'll get a return call within 2 hours. Next, enter your LLC name and choose a designator. LLC is the most common. Click Continue. You can leave this box checked to use a generic business purpose or briefly describe what your business is going to do. For example, business strategy consulting. Don't overthink this. For your business's physical address and mailing address, Northwest lets you use theirs. Like I mentioned before, if you use your home address, it becomes a permanent public record on the internet. Using Northwest's address keeps your front door private. If you have an attorney and want them to receive a copy of legal notices, select yes and add their email. Otherwise, just leave it as no. Next, enter your name, phone number, and email, then create a password to set up your Northwest account. Here you're going to choose your management type. Member managed is the most common. It means the owner or owners, you, are going to run the show. Select manager managed if you'll appoint someone to handle the daily operations. If at any point you want to learn more, you can click on one of the question icons. Enter your name as the member. Again, for the address, use the registered agent's address to protect your privacy. If there are additional members, click Add Member and add their information as well. Next are optional items. Everything is optional and a la carte. There are no forced bundles like you see with some competitors. I recommend getting a tax ID, EIN. Northwest will do this for you for an additional $50, or you can totally do it on your own by following the instructions in this video that you'll find down below in the description. I'll explain more about your EIN later on in the video. If you want to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp, you can have Northwest file Form 2553 with the IRS. This can help you save money on taxes, but you'd only do it after you're earning over $50,000 of profit per year with your LLC. If you work from home, you'll want their premium mail service, so you're not listing your home address on any business documents or emails, again helping you keep your information private. I wouldn't worry about a trademark filing right now. If you're using your LLC name as your brand name, you don't need a DBA. A DBA, doing business as, is only needed if your LLC name is different from the brand name that you'll be using publicly. Add what you want and click continue. Finally, fill in your payment information, hit submit, and you're done. Once approved and your LLC has officially been formed, you'll receive your articles of organization from the state, or Northwest will add scanned copies to your account. Step 4, get your EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need this to open a business bank account, hire employees, and cleanly separate yourself from your business. You can do this yourself on the IRS's website for free, but having Northwest do it ensures there are no errors in the filing. If you're a single member LLC and won't have any employees, you could use your social security number in most cases, but in my opinion, it's better to have an EIN, especially for privacy. I only want to use my social security number when absolutely necessary. Step 5, create an operating agreement. Wyoming doesn't legally require you to have an operating agreement, but you should still have one. This document will explain who owns the LLC, how decisions are made, helps minimize conflicts, and also helps maintain your personal liability protection. Banks may ask for it, accountants may ask for it, and if there's ever a dispute, this document helps protect you. Even if you're a single member LLC, you should still have one. Northwest provides simple operating agreement templates, so you're not trying to figure this out on your own. Even if you don't use Northwest to form your LLC, their templates are free to download, and we've linked them down below. Step 6, open a business bank account. This will help you keep your personal and business finances completely separate. It keeps your accounting cleaner, makes tax season easier, and strengthens your personal liability protection. To open one, you'll just need to provide a bank either online or in branch with your articles of organization, your EIN confirmation letter, a government-issued photo ID, and your operating agreement. We recommend contacting your bank of choice beforehand to make sure you bring all necessary documentation, as requirements can vary from bank to bank. To avoid account minimums, monthly fee, and other fees, I recommend avoiding traditional banks and using an online business bank account. Bluevine and American Express offer accounts with no monthly fees, and you can earn interest on your checking account balance. We have a video that you'll find below that'll show you how to open a business bank account, as well as another one on the best business bank accounts. Step 7, obtain licenses and permits. Forming an LLC doesn't automatically mean you're allowed to operate your business. Depending on what you do and where you're located, you may need state licenses, county licenses, city licenses, or an industry-specific permit. This is based on your business type and your location, so you need to check local and state requirements. As a starting point, you can ask your favorite AI tool if you need any licenses or permits to operate your business type, whatever city or county you're located in. Step 8, organize your business finances. You don't need to hire an accountant from day one, but I would at least start tracking your income and expenses with an online accounting software like QuickBooks, Wave, Doola, or FreshBooks. As your business starts to grow, it might make sense to look into a service like Doola's Business in a Box, where you work with a dedicated human bookkeeper. If you'd like to hire a bookkeeper right from the start, you could even have Doola form your LLC. If accounting is something new for you, I've linked a few videos below that'll help you better understand income, expenses, write-offs, taxes, and how to manage your finances properly from the very beginning instead of fixing a mistake later on. Step 9, register for sales tax. If you sell taxable goods or services, you'll need to register with the Wyoming Department of Revenue through the Wyoming Internet Filing System to be able to collect sales tax and pass it along to the state. Depending on how much sales tax you collect, you'll file your sales tax returns annually, quarterly, or monthly. If you're not sure whether your business activity is taxable, check the Wyoming Department of Revenue's website to confirm. To keep your LLC in good standing, Step 10, file an annual report with the Wyoming Secretary of State every year, starting the year after your LLC was formed. The minimum filing fee is $60 and is due by the first day of your anniversary month every year. Now you know exactly how to start an LLC in Wyoming. For the easiest path to move forward, use the Northwest link down below. This is an affiliate link, so if you use it, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. This is a great way to support the channel. Now to avoid common mistakes new business owners make, watch this video next. We also have this free course that goes over everything you need when starting a new business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.